Welcome to this tutorial on Lebesgue's Product Intelligence feature. In this video, I'll walk you through the key tools that help you track product performance, analyze trends, and refine strategies to optimize sales. Let's dive into the key features. First, let's look at the conversion impact analysis section. Here you can track how product visibility and engagement translate into conversions. This section uses two powerful tools, the engagement and conversion graph and the 360 product analytics graph. In the engagement and conversion graph, you can compare products by selecting up to 3. If you're interested in something that wasn't automatically selected by the app, simply declick or deselect one of them and select a new one. Now, as you can see, the changes that are applied on the left graph reflect on the right one, which is made to give you a deeper insight into what is going on over here. I'll explain further. So simply put, this is a great way to identify hidden gems. You can look at all of these metrics and the ratios among them and simply see and assess whether products with, for example, high visibility are translating into sales, or which would be the ones that are up here to the far right, or whether lesser known items are performing surprisingly well. Now, on the right side with the 360 product analytics graph, it offers a comprehensive breakdown among your products of their performance through key metrics such as purchases, retention rate, views, and add to carts. This comprehensive analysis helps you visualize your product's potential and refine your sales strategy accordingly. It gives you a clear picture of how well your products are performing, such as this one, or which ones might need extra attention, such as this one. And for extra clarity, just to be safe, we also got you covered with a table form overview of all of this data right below. So you can see all of the metrics here in one place. Now, in order to continuously keep track of your product's performance, down here you can find a tab that does just that. The Conversion Impact Analysis Comparative Periods view. It allows you to visually compare changes across two selected time periods, which you can choose over here. And simply put, these dots represent your products, and they are color-coded for a reason. The red stands for significant declines, and the blues stand for notable improvements. So you can always check on them and see how they're doing, and of course compare them by the metrics that you have up here as well. Now, moving on to the first time buy orders product feature. This tool helps you see which products are driving new customer acquisitions, and tracking this can highlight successful new items or identify products that need more marketing support. Then use the period over period product performance feature to compare product sales across different periods once again. Now, this is a game changer for understanding how your products are evolving over time, and it helps you spot trends and shifts in consumer behavior, which is crucial for inventory planning, pricing strategies, and promotional campaigns. And last but not least, here you can track the sales performance of your products over selected time intervals. Now, this feature provides a historical view of sales data and allows you to analyze trends, seasonal variations, and growth patterns. So, by regularly reviewing these tools, you'll be able to adapt quickly to changes in consumer behavior and make data-driven decisions to maximize sales and optimize your product strategy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.